One of the ways in an asynchronous class for you to control how students are viewing your information is to leverage the restrictions tool in D2L. Setting restrictions on the items can permit the information to unroll for the student one item at a time, much like it would in a face-to-face course. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to set up some restrictions so that students are viewing the material in this particular submodule I have in the order I want them to. So I've already created my submodule, and these are the items I want students to view in order. Okay, so I want them to view this item first, and then be able to see and view this item, and so on. So in order to do this, I want to put restrictions on the later items in this submodule. So we'll go ahead and start with the second item. We'll go ahead and edit properties, and underneath every item in D2L, you have this restrictions item that you can select. So we'll go ahead and go into the restrictions tool, and I want to create a release condition. Now in this case, I want them to complete some content. So we'll come down here. Okay, completed content topic, or do I want them to just visit the topic? In this case, it's a link. So I'm going to have them have visited that content before the next one opens. Okay, and now I'm going to scroll down, and the next item, I'm in this particular module, the STAR method, and I want them to complete the STAR interviewing method before this next item opens. Okay, so now I have some conditions set on this. I'm going to go ahead and update that. Okay, so now you see that I have conditions for the particular item in this submodule. I'm going to do the same for the next one. Go ahead and edit my properties, select restrictions, create a condition. Okay, this one is the same. I want them to complete the one prior. So they've visited the content topic. And if I come down, this is, again, I want them to review the interviewing video. Okay, we'll create that. I now have a condition set up. And then finally, I have a discussion topic I want them to visit. Okay, I'm going to put a condition on this as well. I want them to be able to see all of the information prior to being able to post in this discussion board. Let's come into the restrictions. We will do the same thing. Okay, we want them to visit the content topic, and it is again the one right before the assignment, the final one in my list, the interview questions, and we'll go ahead and create that. We will update it. So now when the students come in, they will have to complete these items in order. They'll first see this. So we'll go ahead and look at this as the student and go into this particular submodule. Okay, this is the submodule I was working on. In this case, I had already viewed the STAR interviewing method. So the second item is here, the video. So once I click on the video, go ahead and do that. I've clicked on it. We'll go watch the video. Okay, go out of that. And when I come back to the information, you'll see that the next item has unrolled, and it's the link for my interview questions. So this is one way you can control how students are viewing your information.